Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be making some cranberry crunch cookies. Remember that I'll be putting the recipe down in the description so y'all can try these at home. So in a large bowl, I'm going to mix up my butter, which I kind of melted halfway. I'm going to add my sugars, regular sugar and brown sugar. Add my eggs and vanilla extract and mix well. And we'll push that aside, and in another bowl I'm going to mix up all of my dry ingredients: oats, all-purpose flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, and baking powder. Once that's mixed in, I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry and mix it all in well. I'm going to add my dried cranberries and my chopped pecan. Bake at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. Once I remove them from the oven, I'm going to put them on these wire racks and let them cool.